Hello, friend. Welcome back. Serial A to Z. Some TV characters make us laugh, some make us emotional, and then there are those rare characters who somehow do both at the exact same time. And honestly, nobody represents that better than Sheldon Cooper, a man with an IQ higher and almost everyone around him, but emotional intelligence is so low that even basic human interaction feels like a scientific experiment. Today we are talking about why Sheldon Cooper became the heart of the Big Bang Theory. Thoughts he punished, meltdown, emotional breakdowns, obvious routines, and absolutely inability to function like a normal human being. Section first, the genius who could not handle failure. One of the most powerful storyline in the show is when Sheldon and Amy scientific theory gets disproved. Now, for most people, being wrong is disappointing. For Sheldon, it is the collapse of his entire identity because Sheldon does not just think he is smart, he is intelligent, is his identity. The theory was not just another paper, it was something he and Amy created together. A dream bomb during their wedding, months of hard of hope, and obsession. So when everything falls apart, you can literally watch Sheldon mentally break in real time. And the brilliant part is how the show balances comedy with emotion. Instead of crying normally, Sheldon starts questioning every opinion he's ever had. Even he though suddenly he hates it. He listens to jazz music trying to understand if maybe he judged it unfairly. He started doubting reality itself. It's funny on the surface, but underneath that humor is something painful relatable. What happens when the one thing you trusted most about yourself turns out of be wrong? Sheldon war against change. Sheldon Cooper hates change any than anything, and I mean anything. Move his sport problem, changing laundry, night disaster, fix the apartment elevator after years, absolutely nightmare. That's one of the funniest running themes in the entire show. Normal people adapt. Sheldon declares war. There is this amazing moment where Penny blocks all the washing machines during Sheldon's scared Saturday laundry schedule. Now, a normal person would simply wait, but Sheldon react like civilization itself has collapsed. The funniest thing is how dramatic he becomes over teeny inconvenience. He talks like a Shakespeare's king suffering betrayal when really he just cannot wash socks on time. And honestly, that ex, exaggerated seriousness is what makes him hilarious. The parking spot war. It there one thing This show does perfectly its turning small problem into legendary chores, and nothing proves that better than the parking spot episode. Howard Gate University parking spot, a completely normal thing, but Sheldon sees it a direct attack on his super superiority. What follows is one of the dumbest and funniest votes in sitcom history. The argument escalates from complaints to revenge to campus security to Sheldon sitting naked inside Howard car. At this point, nobody even remembers what the original problem was anymore, and that's the beauty of these characters. They are all intelligent scientists capable to understanding the universe. Yet emotionally they behave like children fighting over toys. Why Sheldon is not just funny. The reason Sheldon became more than just a comedy character is because underneath all the arrogance he is deeply insecure, and the show quickly reveals that again and again when Leonard disproves Sheldon's scientific discovery. Sheldon pretends to care about scientific thesis. He says science matters more than ego, but then the truth slides out. The admits he wanted the attention, he wanted the validation, he wanted to matter. That's what makes Sheldon human, because despite acting superior all the time, he constantly needs reassurance. He wants people to admire him, respect him, notice him, and honestly, who does not? Sheldon and Leonard brotherhood, one of the most underrated parts of the Big Bang Theory is the relationship between Sheldon and Leonard, because despite all the insult, screaming, and emotionally damage, these two genuinely care about each other. Leonard is basically Sheldon's emotional translator for the world. He tolerates the routines, the rules, the arrogance, the impossible behavior, and Sheldon, in his own weird way, depends on Leonard more than anyone. That's why their fight always feel real, because underneath all the comedy, their actual friendship. The genius of Sheldon comedy. What makes Sheldon funny is not the jokes, it is the fact that he does not know he's funny. Every single thing Sheldon says is delivered with complete seriousness. Whether he explaining Green Lantern weakness, arguing over physics presentation, or screaming that somebody lost his mother somewhere on planet Earth. In his mind, this is deadly serious business, and that commitment makes every scene funnier. The show never turns Sheldon into a cartoon. Instead, it lets his logic collide with normal human behavior, and the result is comedy gold. Amy changed everything. Before Amy entered the show, Sheldon was hilarious, but after Amy, he became completely because Amy understood him in ways nobody else could. He challenged him, supported him, and slowly helped him grow emotionally, not by changing who he was, but he helping him becoming a better version. It hope of himself. After honestly watching Sheldon slowly learn love competition and voluntary and become one of the best character our sitcom history. The saddest thing about Sheldon, saddest thing about Sheldon is that deep down he afraid of failure, afraid of rejection, a change. That's why the killing the routine, because routine make our world predictable, and for someone those never suddenly all these weird habits stop feeling annoying. They start feeling understanding. That's thought. Sheldon Cooper is one of the greatest sitcom character everything written because he feels impossible. He is ignorant, immature, selfish, obsessive, but he is also loyal, honest, passionate, and secretly vulnerable. And over the year of Sheldon, not because he was perfectly, but because underneath all that shows he was real. So, yeah, Sheldon Cooper may have spent a year acting like he was smarter than everyone else, but in the end, the biggest lesson he learned was about physics. It was about people. It people. Thank you. Like and subscribe the video. Next video time.